Cambodia.
Hi guys! Morning! It's a Tuesday morning today. Labas lang kami saglit guys.
Another hot
Punta sa
day.
kabilang bahay. We will getting papaya for tinola. Bago yan, lagay muna tayo ng sunscreen. Ito yung ginagamit ko guys for my sunscreen. For sun protection. Happy Tuesday guys! Wala kaming ganap today. Wala kaming lakad. We don't have plan to go somewhere or I don't know where we going to Gigaraw, but let's see. And besides, we'll just mention it to you guys when we have a next trip. But right now, nothing guys. Wala kaming ganap today. Ordinary ganap lang. It's just a lifestyle vlogs. And gamitin tayo ng whitening lotion with SPF 30. Ito okay siya guys, maganda. SPF 30, malakas. Matibay, malakas, mabisa sa sunburn. Yes, not much. Say hi first.
Good morning, everyone. Happy
Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday?
Yeah, it's
Oh my gosh.
April 22.
Is that already
23.
going quick? Yeah.
2023.
Yeah, we're just chilling.
Yeah, just
We're
chilling.
trying to plan.
We don't have plan today.
No, we're just kind of relaxing.
Yeah, we just pick some papaya. Let's say
Shrimp tinola.
nakausap ang aking husband. Update you later. Ang init na naman ng panahon, guys. Still hot again. Yeah. We go to the old house, guys. And we bring Coco's food. For a bit. We're gonna close the gate. Bisitahin natin yung garden sa kabila. Garden ng cousin-in-law ko. Sunny day. Dala kami ng food, guys. Para sa isang dog. Nani na si Coco. We stayed at the other house. It's not far from our renting house to the family house. It's not really far. Same street actually. Just a different barangays. Because we are in Central West, Central East right now. And our family house at Central West located. Oh, here's the other door. Remove my helmet. Remove my helmet. Okay, we're gonna feed the doggy. Apa wambasa ni Ara? Wambasa ni Arabella? Ay, pang malo. Ah? Uy, ang bait-bait naman ni Aya Bea. Ang bait-bait naman ng Aya Bea ko. Uy, susapok. Parang may topak ang Aya Bea namin. Parang may topak Aya Bea. There you are. Ay, sus! Ay, sus! It's hungry, ha? You're hungry, really? Oy, ang doggy-doggy. Hi! Ang doggy-doggy namin, oh. I'm gonna put some. This is Uno's sister, Dalmay. And that's the mother, their mother, Coco. Hi! Hoy, sus. Why you are hiding there? Huh? Why you're hiding, Coco? Get the plate, honey. Get the plate over there. Oh, you do the manual pump.
Don't start.
Come on. There is water. Oh.
It's hard work.
That's ours. And then this one later you have to put some water. You have to bring that one. No, it's good now. You can. Okay. My husband knows how to use the jet. How do you call that one, Han? Jet pump? No, it's not a jet pump. Jetmatic. Is it Jetmatic? No, it's not a Jetmatic. It's a manual. Well, I know is we call it here a bomba. We called it manual bomba. Bomba. Yeah, they also use pump over there, but this is only for extra, the manual. Okay, let's ask. Where's the? I'm gonna ask Papa. Hey!
They got papayas everywhere out here.
We have a lot of papaya. Show the papaya.
Oh, that's a big one there too.
That's the papaya, the big one.
Yeah. The papaya is there.
It's my cousin. What pang tinola ka na? Sa dinad, tay! At dahil pangalalan ni Manong nakababasit ko. Baka naloon na nga tan eh. Yeah. This is the garden of my cousin-in-law. There's a lot of papayas over there.
She's back? What? See all the papayas? Oh, you got.
Oh, even this one, a lot of papaya.
Yeah. This lot over here is Donna's lot.
Yeah. This portion, I'm gonna show you guys later. There's a lot of papayas. Unlimited papaya here, guys. Oh, papaya again. Papaya again. We are rich on papaya, guys. We are rich on papaya. Dapat papaya dyan. Dasa nalumaj sa lalum sama dyan eh. Ay, baba na nalumaj ay. Taman. Ngayon na nalum na eh. Ah, yes. Nya? Ha? Ha, natalang may salang. O, nalumata. Nya? Ha, pang tinola lang. Ate nalim. Huwag nga ron. Oh guys, rich natin. May salang. Huwag nga ron. Ay! Ay! See guys, we have also farm here. Right. This is a family hut, guys. A family lot, guys. Yeah. But a lot of vegetables. There's also a lot of coconut trees over here. Nasi dayo man len. Rooster. Ayan na ni Papa. Papating! Ay! Musta naman ang papating namin? Ang pinakas-snabis ang patpating namin. Why snabbish? Ha? Bye-bye, Coco. Sino man daw? Sino? Sino yon? Sino yung mando? Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Come here. Come here, come here. Come here. Tingaling-aling-aling. Come here. Tingaling-aling. Oh, okay na. Okay, okay. Oh, good, baby. Oh, good. Tingaling-aling, ding-dong. Tingaling. Ay, sus, opo. Ay, sus, opo. Ay, sus. Ay, sus. Tingaling-aling, aling, ding-dong. Ay, miss na miss ako ng koko ko, oh. Tingaling-aling, ding-dong. Ay, sus, opo. You will take a shower. You'll take a bath na. You will take a bath tomorrow, ha? Okay. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, good, baby. Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, sus, oh, sus, oh, sus. Bye-bye. Okay. Doon ka na. Stay there na. Come on. I said you want Mountain Dew. Yes,
I know,
please.
But they usually don't have any problem.
No, they have a. They
You
have
want to
a.
put a pie on top of that?
Yeah. I bring that one. I thought
Leave it open?
I gonna, huh?
You need it open? You can put sodas in there, or you got anything else you got to put in there?
No, we just drink over here.
Okay,
The soda.
Okay, boss.
He's always calling me boss, but I'm not the
Okay, boss.
boss.
She acts like a boss.
He is a big boss. Talo lahat. Ayop pato. Dati aja bote ha.
Ay, wala kaya nga nalamis na dagko dala ko.
Wow.
Kita mo damo gan nalamis. Agi ka nga nalamis. Ataw na yung parang kuking ka. Nga nalamis ni.
Gagana walag malam na data, may boss man malam. Ang pagay din agmalam nga, bayag tag malam ata, duwati may salti pananganan lang.
Ay, thank you tata nang ako kunin siya. 17 times 4. 8. Malis ko na nakaya niya.
Nya?
Ang nakaya kasto yun.
Aman, nilam na kulat yan sa gabati. Ice cream ha? About ice cream? You want ice cream? No.
Ay, kaya pinunta na na. O, di na karo kaya.
Oh, trip na mga kat. We just bought some soda, guys. Mountain Dew, my husband's favorite drink. Mountain Dew. Okay. Then, I need to get why do I gonna, what do I need? Watermelon again.
Yes. Back
What?
by.
What is it? What?
Back up there.
Yeah. Can you put that knife on that one, please? Just some pick sa papaya. Punta kami sa kabilang store, guys. We're gonna get some watermelon again. This watermelon is a good fruit. For dehydration. We need to keep dehydrate, isn't it? Is it the right one? We're here again, guys. Mano pesa kita. na ito eh. Parehas dan. Oh, has a lot of watermelon today, guys. We're gonna get some watermelon again. Parang swertehan lang na nanay. Kunin niya ate ko. Ito niya tinalabaga. Swertehan ng pick eh. Hindi ako marunong mamili, guys, but how do I know? How do I know if it's really super red? How do I really know if it's super red? Wait. Tinaring! Pick, 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 pick. Pick, pick, pick. Awan ti orange niya na nga kulay. It looks like wait. I think I prefer I prefer this one, maybe the green one. Because the last time that I bought here, it's really sweet and it's really sweet. So let's try. Red ka na, sabi ni nanay, red. Let's just try this one. I don't know if this is ang hirap mamili tayo, no? Hindi mo. Ang hirap mamili, hindi malaman kung red ba to.
Matamis so.
Kay,
Dapat lang may sampol.
nung nakaraan, yung nabili ko, matamis siya. Maybe that one na lang. To me, I gonna pick that one. So, pero ito kasi, medyo alanganin kasi to eh. Mas medyo alanganin. Yun na lang. Santa Ana. From Santa Ana. Han, wait honey ha. Nadadaing ng aking asawa. Yan na lang siguro. Din ang aking kukunin. Ano kaya? I don't know. Ito na lang. Try natin to, guys. Medyo mabigat ah. A lot of watermelon, guys. It's 20 per kilo. Tama natin ng naman mga kilo data.
90 po kibayad na.
Ha?
4.6
94. Almost. $90 tower kun yeah. Thank you, Nay. Kaya na plastikatan na. Wala, may isa lang pang sara, pang ganun ko lang. So cheap watermelon here, guys, at the province. Bago nga deliver yan, no? Kasi nakaraan, ano eh. Okay. I got one. Mapula guys ang aking nabili. This is the watermelon that we bought. It looks juicy. Yummy. So, cooking tinola guys with papaya. Smell good guys. Kailangan natin siyang i-fry hanggang sa magmantika siya guys before we put the fish sauce. Maglabas na rin tayo guys ng kuha na rin tayo ng chicken cubes. Ay, walang laman ang aming grocery.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Guess who's coming to the Philippines?
Oh,
Troy.
Troy, when?
Next year.
Next year? With
He's planning by
But-
himself.
by himself only?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I told him we'll meet him in Manila. But
Yeah.
I told him there's no way for him. He'll get confused.
Ayan. Okay. Then, we're gonna put the seaweed later. Pag kumulo. Pagaan natin ito ng sa kumulo guys. The tinola already. It's the food of my husband. That's his rice. Small amount of rice. And the tinola. This is our food. My husband's food with the drinks. Favorite drinks, Mountain Dew. Opener. I need opener, honey. That's it, guys. Tcharam! Oh, happy.